Welcome to the top picks. The best rolling pin stand is probably one of the most underrated yet essential tools in any baker's kitchen, offering a dedicated and hygienic space to store your rolling pin, preventing it from rolling off the counter or getting dusty in a drawer, and ensuring it's always within easy reach for those spontaneous baking sessions or planned culinary creations. Number 5. Fox Run Polished Marble Rolling Pin with Wooden Cradle. Introducing our elegant rolling pin, crafted from 100% natural marble. It features smooth wooden handles for a comfortable and secure grip, allowing you to focus on your baking. Each rolling pin boasts unique marble variations, ensuring yours is truly one of a kind. Embrace the beauty of natural stone in your kitchen. The smooth surface offers natural non-stick properties, making cleanup a breeze. It's designed to handle all your cooking and baking tasks with ease. Experience effortless rolling with its sophisticated design, featuring nylon ball bearings for continuous movement. It also includes a stylish wooden base for convenient storage. This rolling pin and its base weigh 4.6 pounds and measure 2.5 by 18 by 2.5 inches. It's the ideal size for all your culinary creations. What we like? This rolling pin offers a sophisticated look with its natural marble and smooth wooden handles. The included resting base is a fantastic feature for keeping your countertops clean and organized. If you appreciate both aesthetics and practicality in your kitchen tools, and want a stable place to rest your pin between uses, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The rolling pin stand is very sturdy and holds my rolling pin securely. I love that the stand has a non-slip base, which prevents it from sliding around on the counter. The design is sleek and modern, and it looks great in my kitchen. Number 4. Muso Wood French Rolling Pin, 15.75 inch. Experience the classic French baking method with our premium rolling pin. Crafted from solid European beech wood, it's designed for effortless dough shaping. Enjoy a perfectly smooth surface thanks to a meticulous 3-round hand sanding process. Even natural wood imperfections feel seamless, ensuring a pleasant user experience. At 15.7 inches, this tool makes shaping dough simple and precise. Easily achieve your desired thickness for everything from pizza to delicate pastries. Built to last from robust beech wood, it offers excellent durability and resistance to cracking. This ensures reliable performance for all your baking needs. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to its non-stick surface and tapered ends. Simply rinse or wipe clean and air dry for long-lasting use. We are here to help with any questions you may have. Our friendly customer service team is dedicated to ensuring your satisfaction. What we like? Crafted from durable European beech wood with a smooth, hand-sanded finish, this rolling pin provides a classic baking experience. Its tapered ends allow for excellent control and maneuverability. If you prefer the feel of natural wood and are looking for a reliable, no-frills tool for everyday baking tasks like pies and cookies, this French-style pin is perfect for you. What people say. The rolling pin stand is well made and sturdy. It holds multiple rolling pins securely and prevents them from rolling away. The design is compact and doesn't take up much counter space. Number 3. Ultra Cuisine French Rolling Pin. Introducing the Ultra Cuisine French Rolling Pin, designed for both professional bakers and home enthusiasts. Its sleek stainless steel construction ensures durability and a superior baking experience. Say goodbye to splinters and sticky dough. This rolling pin is non-stick, dishwasher safe, and incredibly easy to clean, keeping your kitchen pristine and your pastries perfect. Experience unparalleled maneuverability with its tapered design. It allows you to effortlessly control pressure and dough thickness, ensuring perfectly rolled dough every time. From pizzas and cookies to fondant and pie crusts, this versatile tool handles it all. Etched measurements ensure precision for all your culinary creations. Achieve optimal results by chilling it in the freezer. Its stainless steel design offers cooling properties, ideal for working with delicate doughs. Proudly designed in Colorado, USA, each purchase includes a recipe ebook. Explore over 100 delicious recipes and elevate your baking adventures. What we like? This rolling pin is made from stainless steel, offering a non-stick, dishwasher-safe surface that's incredibly easy to clean. It also features etched measurements for precision and can be chilled for working with cold doughs. If you prioritize hygiene, convenience, and accuracy in your baking, especially for intricate pastries or when working with temperature-sensitive doughs, this is the one to get. What people say. The rolling pin stand is a great addition to my kitchen. It holds my rolling pin securely and keeps it from rolling off the counter. I love how this rolling pin stand is designed. It's very sturdy and well-made, and it looks great on my countertop. This rolling pin stand is perfect for storing my rolling pin when not in use. It keeps it organized and easily accessible. Number 2. Fox Run Marble Rolling Pin and Base, Green. Introducing an elegant rolling pin crafted from 100% marble. It features smooth wooden handles for a secure, non-slip grip, allowing you to focus on your baking. Each piece boasts unique marble variations, making it a truly one-of-a-kind item. It's the perfect thoughtful gift for housewarmings or weddings. Enjoy the natural non-stick properties that make cleaning a breeze. This tool is perfect for all your cooking and baking needs, especially for doughs and pastries. It comes with a sleek marble resting base, designed to keep it securely in place on your countertops. This prevents it from rolling away while you work. This rolling pin and base set weighs 4.5 pounds and measures 2.5 by 18 by 3 inches. It has a barrel length of 10 inches and a 2.5-inch diameter. What we like. This rolling pin stands out with its unique green marble design and comfortable wooden handles. The included marble resting base not only adds to its elegance but also keeps your workspace tidy. If you're looking for a beautiful, functional piece that doubles as a decorative item and want the cooling benefits of marble, this is a wonderful option, especially as a gift. What people say. The rolling pin stand is a great addition to my kitchen. It keeps my rolling pin organized and easily accessible. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with my kitchen decor. Number 1. Fox Run Marble Rolling Pin and Base. Introducing our elegant rolling pin, crafted from 100% natural marble. It features sleek aluminum handles designed for a comfortable, non-slip grip, allowing you to focus on your baking. Each rolling pin boasts unique marble variations, making yours truly one of a kind. It's the perfect thoughtful gift for housewarmings or weddings. Enjoy the natural non-stick properties of this smooth rolling pin, making cleanup a breeze. It's ideal for all your doughs and pastries. This set includes a sleek marble resting base. It keeps the pin securely in place when not in use, preventing it from rolling off your countertops. With its beautiful design and practical features, this rolling pin is ready to assist with all your cooking and baking endeavors. This pin and base set weighs 5.51 pounds and measures 2.5 by 17.5 by 3 inches, offering a substantial feel for effortless use. What we like. Featuring a classic white marble construction with sleek aluminum handles, this rolling pin offers a modern twist on a traditional tool. The natural non-stick properties of marble make it a joy to use, and the included resting base prevents unwanted rolling. If you desire a durable, easy-to-clean rolling pin with a touch of elegance and prefer the feel of metal handles, this is a solid choice for all your baking needs. What people say. The rolling pin stand is very sturdy and holds multiple rolling pins securely. It's a great space saver and keeps my kitchen counter organized. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with my kitchen decor. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.